Well, hello, Peter Harris here, Wizard of Utopia. Dreamspace Gallery is closed. It's been an extraordinary day. Wizard Workshops and Dreamspace Gallery. Now, the two names. The Wizard Workshops is what we're offering is anything that you see here, anything here that is made by us or things that are wisdoms of myself and others, visiting speakers, are going to be offered as workshops if we're spared, and there would be quite a range of workshops that we can give on ferrous cement, on casting, on mold making, on cement, on plaster of Paris, on writing small books, printing, binding, publishing. The list is pretty endless. So, but I just wanted to share how I've written a book, How to Be a Wizard, how life is magical, and we are too. And I do not seem to have a copy of it there. Terrible. But it's online by Peter Harris, How to Be a Wizard, How Life is Magical, and We Are Too. And in that, I expound a little on that, and it's free and it's an ebook. But right now, I want to say what happened this morning. I have felt for quite a long time that the lack of a balancing partner to actually a business partner to do wizardy things, but from the support and the mirror image side, the more feminine, the more social side, and the more front of house, because I do have a tendency to hide away in the back for good reasons, as well as for reasons of incapacity. But what happened this morning was kind of weird. I was talking to a lady about the workshops, and I gave them this pamphlet, which is good. It's a prospectus, and it talks about all the different things we can do: ferrous cement, wand and staff making, painting in acrylics, paper marbling, stained glass, book binding, band sword, recycled and native timber furniture, all kinds of things. But as she was going out, I said, as an afterthought, and I really need an assistant or a partner, so take one of these. And as I gave it to her, I thought, that's odd. This is a burnt bit there. And so I'll just show you see what appeared? There, a strange, like a sword or a lightning bolt coming down and burning the paper, just missing the window in the top floor of our dream space. And then I looked at the next page, and she said, "Oh well, I'll take it anyway." And then I looked at the next page, and it's pointing at our teddy bear in the window. And then the page after that, it's on the side. But the point is that something had burnt right through these pages. And I thought, my gosh, the place could have burnt down. And this was the culprit. This lovely, innocent-looking globe with the wizard with balls on it. He was sitting right there, and the sun had shone in and nearly burnt the place down. So this is going to be made safe. So the point is that this morning it seemed as though there was oppositional forces right from the beginning, and I was just going to say that when we get real and we start offering things, we stir up energies, whatever, of a contrarian, as somebody said, the forces of thwart. And this morning I was upstairs having a coffee, I think, and there was a thumping on this door, and I came down, and the person was saying, open the door, and this person was saying, I know you, you're following me, and you and your wife follow me to the beach. And I thought, what? I don't even know you. And this lady was right in my face, right here. And so I basically had to, and she just left, and she told me that I'd I'd made a female tiki, a mother and child, which I will show. And in all innocence and full respect for the story which I'd read online about the first woman meeting the first man in this legend was Tiki, and she had a baby. So this is what I carved. So apparently was part of this person's case against me, and just sheer anger, like a lion roaring. And I had to basically turn away wrath with a soft answer, which I did. But we are sending love, and it is the kind of thing that probably happens when we are actually out there doing something. This opposition is stirred up. So, but my thought is honor all people, never fight hate with hate, but rather send back love, because we're all on a journey. And if I have offended anyone, it is better to say I am sorry, and to really feel their feelings. I've been there before in another case involving a broken heel, and honouring and having not taken seriously. So never take it lightly, but always take it with love, and honour people to the best of your ability. We are indeed all on a magical journey.